Sure, here's a 1,000-word YouTube video script in English about the 2026 Rolls-Royce Mansory Cullinan 700 HP. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a machine that perfectly blends ultra-luxury with raw power and bold presence. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Mansory Cullinan, boasting an insane 700 horsepower. If you're looking for a car that commands the road, turns heads everywhere it goes, and delivers an uncompromising driving experience, this beast deserves your full attention. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2026 Mansory Cullinan is unmistakably bold. Mansory's design philosophy takes the already opulent Rolls-Royce Cullinan and turns it into something even more exclusive, more aggressive, and dare I say, more rebellious. The signature two-tone paint job, meticulously hand-applied, shimmers differently under changing light, making it a moving piece of art. Carbon fiber elements can be found all around, from the front splitter and side skirts to the massive rear diffuser and spoiler. The newly sculpted front fascia features enlarged air intakes and sharp lines, giving the Cullinan a much more muscular stance. And those wheels, absolutely massive. We're talking 24-inch forged alloy wheels designed specifically for this model. They're not just about aesthetics, they're part of what gives this Cullinan its unique road presence. Wrapped in high-performance tires, they ensure that this luxury SUV grips the pavement like a sports car. The wheel arches are flared just enough to remind you that this is no ordinary Cullinan, this is Mansory's territory now. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, meticulously tuned by Mansory engineers. They've managed to squeeze out an astonishing 700 horsepower and 950 Newton-meters of torque. That's a massive boost over the standard Cullinan's already impressive power figures. This power is transmitted through a refined 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers seamless shifts, making acceleration feel almost effortless. Despite weighing over 2.6 tons, the Mansory Cullinan rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.5 seconds. That's supercar territory in a luxury SUV body. But Mansory didn't just stop at raw power, they completely overhauled the suspension and exhaust system as well. The adaptive air suspension has been recalibrated to offer more responsive handling while still preserving the comfort Rolls-Royce is known for. And the exhaust. It's been upgraded to a custom stainless steel performance system that gives this Cullinan a throatier, more aggressive soundtrack. It's subtle at idle, but put your foot down and it roars to life, letting everyone know this isn't just for show. Step inside, and you're immediately wrapped in a cocoon of bespoke luxury. Mansory's interior work is nothing short of breathtaking. The seats are reupholstered in the finest leather, hand-stitched with unique patterns and finished with contrast piping. Carbon fiber and Alcantara accents are tastefully integrated into the dashboard, center console, and door panels, adding a sporty flair without compromising elegance. Every control surface, from the steering wheel to the rotary dial, feels crafted, not manufactured. The ambient lighting has also been customized, allowing you to set the mood whether you're cruising at night or making an entrance at a gala. Of course, the iconic Starlight headliner remains, only now it's programmable with dynamic shooting star effects. And the rear seating area. It's more luxurious than most first-class airline cabins. Think individual reclining seats, massage functions, a refrigerator with crystal glasses, and a champagne chiller, because why not? Technology-wise, the 2026 Mansory Cullinan is fully loaded. A redesigned infotainment system with a 15-inch touchscreen now features improved AI-assisted voice controls, real-time driving dynamics data, and full integration with luxury concierge services. You can even control your home automation systems from the car, turning on the lights and music at home before you even arrive. Safety and driver assistance features are also top-notch. From adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist to a new 360-degree night vision system and predictive terrain mapping, the Mansory Cullinan is prepared for anything. Whether you're navigating through urban traffic or heading out to a remote mountain estate, this SUV delivers confidence in every condition. Now let's talk about exclusivity. Mansory doesn't mass-produce these vehicles. Each one is built to order, and clients can customize virtually every detail, from the paint color to the stitching on the seat belts. Only a limited number of these 700 HP Cullinans will ever exist, making them highly collectible pieces of automotive art. Owning one is like being part of a very exclusive club, where luxury is standard and individuality is celebrated. But all this power and prestige comes with a price. The base Rolls-Royce Cullinan already commands a high figure, but once Mansory's magic is added, the price tag easily exceeds $500,000, and can go much higher depending on customization. But let's be real, if you're looking at a Mansory Cullinan, you're not just buying a vehicle. You're making a statement. This is the ultimate expression of status, craftsmanship, and engineering. What truly sets the Mansory Cullinan apart, though, is the way it makes you feel. It's not just about speed or luxury, it's about presence. Wherever it goes, it exudes confidence. It doesn't shout, it speaks with authority. And when you're behind the wheel, you're not just driving, you're commanding the road. So who is the 2026 Mansory Cullinan for? It's for those who demand more. More power, more refinement, more individuality. It's for the tastemakers, the innovators, and the visionaries who don't follow trends. They create them. If you're someone who refuses to compromise between comfort and performance, between elegance and aggression, this SUV might just be your perfect match. To wrap it all up, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Mansory Cullinan 700 HP is not just an evolution of an already iconic SUV, it's a revolution in what's possible when luxury meets performance at the highest level. It's a masterpiece on wheels, blending timeless elegance with modern aggression, and it stands as one of the most powerful and luxurious SUVs on the planet. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more luxury car content, and drop a comment below. Would you drive the Mansory Cullinan, or is it too over the top for your taste? See you in the next video.